Students, let's discuss exercise 7.2 first Roman. Find the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment, joining line segment of minus 1 comma 7 and 4 comma minus 3 in the ratio 2 is to 3. Here given the ratio and coordinates of the line segment. We need to find out at which points divides the line segment into the ratio 2 is to 3. So let P of x comma y be the required point. So we know the coordinates. What are the coordinates? Minus 1 comma 7, 4 comma minus 3. So the first point we can take x1, y1. The second point x2, y2. And the ratios we know that 2 is to 3. So that is m is to n. M is equal to 2, n equal to 3. Then use section formula. So the section formula is P equal to mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, comma my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. So we know the values of n, x1, y1, x2 and y2. Just substitute in this formula to find x and y values. So x is equal to, we know that, so the corresponding terms are equal. So x is equal to mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n. So substitute the values. 2 into 4 plus 3 into minus 1 divided by 2 plus 3. So we'll be get 5 divided by 5. So the answer is 1. So next we need to find out the value of y. So y is equal to 2 into minus 3 plus 3 into 7. Because m and n values we know that 2 and 3. So divided by 2 plus 3. If you simplify, we get 15 divided by 5. So the answer is 3. So therefore the point is 1 comma 3. Students, let's discuss exercise 7.2 second Roman. Find the coordinates of the points of trisection of the line segment joining 4 comma minus 1 and minus 2 comma 3. So 4 comma minus 1 minus 2 comma 3. Actually these are the coordinates of the line segment. The given line segment we need to divide into 3 sections. So that is a trisections. Okay. So how to divide the line segment into 3 parts? So this is the line segment AB. So just take 2 points on the line segment P and Q. So now we check. We got 3 sections. 1, 2, 3. AP, next PQ and QB. So this is three sections. At the same time, which are the points are dividing the line segment into 3 sections. So we know that A and B. So we need to find out P and Q because these 2 points are dividing the line segment into how many sections? 3 sections. That means how to find out the value of P and Q. So already you know that how to find out the value of P. So in the condition they given the totally 3 section. So AP, so this is one section. PQ, that is another section. QB, that is a third section. So to find P value, see this from A to P, that is only one section, and P to B, that is totally 2 sections, because we know that coordinate B and coordinate A. So first we need to take AP PB. That means what is the ratio of AP and PB? 1 is to 2. This is one part. This is remaining 2 part. Okay. By using section formula, we need to find out. So already we know that what is the formula? P equal to mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, comma my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. Okay, so based on P, we divided the line segment into the ratio 1 is to 2. So then substitute in this formula. If we substitute in this formula, will we get the value of x1 is 2 and the value of y1 is minus 5 comma 3. So what is the value of that point P? That coordinate is 2 comma minus 5 by 3. And the same time, next we need to find out Q. How to find out Q? So for that, we take from A to Q. So A to Q totally how many parts are there? Two parts. From Q to B only one part. So we can take the ratio is 2 is to 1. So 2 is to 1 means M is 2 and N is 1. Then substitute the section formula. If you substitute in the section formula, will we get the answer is x2 that is 0 and the next y2 that is minus 7 by 3 that is q value. Okay, so therefore q is equal to 0 comma minus 7 by 3. So we found the values of p and q. Students, let's discuss exercise 7.2 fourth sum. Find the ratio in which the line segment joining the points minus 3 comma 10 and 6 comma minus 8 is divided by minus 1 comma 6. Actually here we need to find out the ratio of the line segment. Here the coordinates of the line segment given, at the same time the dividing point is also given. So the coordinates are minus 3 comma 10, 6 comma minus 8. So the first coordinate x1 y1 and the second coordinate is x2 y2. In the line segment p also given. What is p? Minus 1 comma 6. Actually this point is dividing the line segment into some ratio m is to n. M is to n. Actually we need to find out the ratio. How to find out? By using section formula. So we know the section formula p of x comma y equal to mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n comma my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. So we know the values of x1 x2 and y1 y2 and the point also. Just a substitute in this formula minus 1 comma 6 equal to m of 6 plus n of minus 3 divided by m plus n comma m of minus 8 plus n of 10 divided by m plus n. Then simplify. If you simplify, you will be get 6m minus 3n and minus 8m plus 10n. Here we need to find out m and n the ratio. So here we need to equate their corresponding terms. Okay, we can equate that minus 1 and the first term and 6 or the second term y. Okay, here I am going to equate minus 1 and the first term 6m minus 3n divided by m plus n. Okay, or else you can equate these two terms, that y coordinates, then cross multiply, then you will be get minus m minus n equal to 6m minus 3n. So transpose n to one side and m to another side. So minus n plus 3n equal to 6m plus m. So we know that 2n equal to 7m. Actually here we need to find out the ratios. We need to find out m is to n the ratio. So 2n equal to 7m. So the n transpose to right hand side. So m divided by n. That 7 transpose to left hand side. So 2 divided by 7 equal to m by n. So the ratio m is to n equal to 2 is to 7. So the point minus 6 comma 7. Okay, the point is dividing the line segment into the ratio 2 is to 7. Students, let's discuss exercise 7.2 fifth Roman. Find the ratio in which the line segment joining 1 comma minus 5 and minus 4 comma 5 is divided by the x-axis. Also find the coordinates of the point of division. So here first we need to find out the ratio of the given line segment. And here one condition is given, the line segment is divided by the x-axis. The line segment is divided by x-axis. Points are 1 comma minus 5 and minus 4 comma 5. So the line segment AB divided by x-axis. So if the line segment is divided by x-axis, their y value is 0. The point in the line segment is intersecting on x-axis, the y coordinate is 0. So therefore the point is x comma 0. So here we know the point. At the same time we know the coordinates a and b. So by using this we need to find out the ratio m and n. So we know the section formula p of x comma y equal to mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n comma my2 plus n by 1 divided by m plus n. So the points we know that the point is x comma 0 equal to m of minus 4 plus n of 1 divided by m plus n comma m of 5 plus n of minus 5 divided by m plus n. So already we know that the corresponding terms are equal. Here the x coordinates are equal, at the same time the y coordinate 0. See the x coordinate as x. So if we equate these two terms, we cannot find out m and n, but the y coordinate is 0. If we equate the y coordinates, easily we can find out m and n. Okay, so equate y coordinates. So 0 equal to 5m minus 5n divided by m plus n. Then m plus n transpose to left hand side, then will be get 0. So 5m minus 5n. So the n value transpose to left hand side. So 5n equal to 5m, because here we need to find out the ratio. 5 transpose to left hand side and n transpose to right hand side. So 5 divided by 5 equal to m divided by n. So the ratio 5 will be cancelled. So will be get 1 divided by 1. So the ratio m is to n equal to 1 is to 1. At the same time, they asked to find out the point. Okay, so already we know the point. The point is x comma 0. So we need to find out the value of x. So equate x coordinate. So x is equal to, the x coordinate is mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n. So we know the value of m and n. Substitute here. And we know that x1 and x2. So 1 of minus 4 plus 1 of 1 divided by 1 plus 1. So the value of x is equal to minus 3 by 2. So therefore the point is minus 3 by 2 comma 0.